Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Netflix household problem on TV. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Netflix like this and open that. And if your Netflix app is not updated, you need to update your application. Then you need to open settings and go into the app management, click on app list, and here you need to search for the Netflix. Click on that. You have different options. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and hopefully your issue got resolved. But if you're still facing an issue, you simply need to open any browser and search for the Netflix support. Click on that. Click on Netflix help center, and here you need to mention your topic and get in contact with the support team, and they will help you to resolve your issue. You need to fill your details of your account to get in touch with them. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.